Hello everyone, welcome back to lawyerpriyankab and myself I am Priyanka. So today let's discuss about what all rights do a married woman have in India. So firstly, every married woman have few rights in India, and here let's discuss about 8 different type of rights of a married woman. So among them, the first one, right to matrimonial home. A wife has all the legal rights to stay in their matrimonial home in some circumstances. For example, if her husband has been already passed away, and in some cases if both the parties, the divorce case has been running in the court, and during that time the wife has right to live in their matrimonial home. And also, if already the both couple has taken the divorce legally, even then she has the right to live in her matrimonial home. So every wife has right to live in their own matrimonial houses in some circumstances. Second one, right to divorce. Every woman have right to apply for divorce legally, and if her husband behaves cruel or creates any kind of emotional violence, then he will be punished under section 13 of Hindu Marriage Act 1995, and this will be applied here for sure. And the next one, third, right to Stridhan. Under section 14 of Hindu Marriage Act 1956 and also under section 27 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 allows a woman to rightful claim in Stridhan as its sole owner. 4. Right to claim the child's custody. Every woman has the supreme right to claim the custody of her child, especially in a case if the child is below 5 or 5 years, because a child below 5 years, either it may be a girl child or a boy child, there is a lot of need of a mother to that particular child. So even the court gives the custody to the mother, very sure. So, and even she has the right, if she can also have her child along with herself, if she leaves her matrimonial household without any legal rights. 5. The right of abortion. The woman has the right to abort a pregnancy without the permission of her husband or her matrimonial family or in-laws family, because the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971 allows, if a woman wanted to terminate her pregnancy before 24 weeks, she has the right to terminate it. So, in the same way, in some cases, the Indian court also allows women to terminate the fetus after 24 weeks, but only in particular few cases and special cases. 6. The right to property. The 2005 amendment of the Hindu Succession Act 1956 claims that a daughter, regardless of her marital status, has equal to inherit her father's property. And you know what? A woman also can inherit her former husband's property only if the husband has not formed any will that includes her. And one more important point to be noted, if in case the husband has his first wife, and also if he get married to the second one, that means if he had a second wife, and the property of the husband completely, like the total property belongs to the first wife only, because if the husband has not given any legal divorce to her first wife, his first wife, then the property, like complete property, will be belonging to the first wife, because the reason is just because he has not legally divorced to his first wife. And if he has legally divorced, then the statement will be different. But as he does not have legally divorced to his first wife, all his property will be belonging to the first wife. 7. Right to report domestic violence. Under the Protection of Women, under the Domestic Violence Act 2005, women have all rights to complain against her in-laws or also on her husband in case if she faces domestic violence, for example like physical or emotional or sexual or economical violence, and also other acts of ill treatment. She have all the rights to report on them to Domestic Violence Act. So let us see the last right of a married woman, that is number 8, right to report dowry and harassment. A woman can report against her parental family and in-laws if in case they have taken the dowry before marriage or during the time of marriage, and also can file report if her in-laws are harassing her regarding dowry under the Dowry Prohibition Act 1961 under section 304B and 498A of IPC. So I hope this video is really helpful to everyone. So I have not explained it in very long form, but I just briefly explained it because it should not be like so lengthy, or it should not be like taking a lot of time to people to watch this video. And if it is short and brief, people show interest to learn easily, and I have also mentioned the major points of the subject. So I think this video will be helpful to everyone. So let's meet in next video. Until then, signing off.